of the twins, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda here, and today we're going to get right on into the video. What I've done is prepared two different fall looks here at my kitchen island, and guys, I need your help. I want you to help me decide which one I should use this fall season. These beautiful, bold, vibrant colors of look number one is going to make my decision a hard one. This is a table runner that I found recently at a thrift store, and I paid $20 for it. If you haven't seen my fall living room tour, then I want you to go and check that one out. I've just simply carried the gold and the burgundy right on into the kitchen. Sometimes when you use a table runner in a traditional way and just have it hanging over the sides of the table, you lose a lot of the beauty of the runner. So what I've done here is just folded it, and then I use my flowers and my faux velvet pumpkins to help camouflage where I put the folds at. And here's a second glance at look number one. And now here's a look at look number two. And for this look, I'm still going to be using my beautiful black and gold pumpkins. What I have done is I've added some gorgeous velvet placemats that I bought last week at Home Goods actually. They were 4 in a pack for $12.99. Also for look number two, I've added a second candle holder. And these actually come as a set of 3. I got these also at a thrift store. I paid $22 for all 3 of them. Friends of the twins, is anyone as excited about the fall season as I am? I know here in my area lately we've had some cooler temperatures, but for me the fall season means that I get to snuggle up with a nice blanket throw over my feet and a cup of hot chocolate, and I just can't wait. And I guess the good thing for me is, and he's gonna kill me for saying this, but my husband, you would never know it, but he is nothing but a big snuggle bug. He loves to be cuddled up and snuggled up and warm and cozy. So we are excited about the fall season. And I know, we have a lot of hot weather where I am, so we definitely can't wait for the fall. This is one last glance at look number two. Please leave me a comment and let me know which one you like the best. Friends, I want you to remember, make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching.